Hey guys, it's JD from Eastwood, and in this video we are going to be taking a closer look at the Eastwood sheet metal plug kit. Now, this is going to be a great option if you're looking for a budget-friendly kit that makes drilling holes and filling them with sheet metal plugs as easy as it can be. A lot of older cars, when you remove trim pieces or you debadge them, for instance, or if you're looking to shave down your door handles on something really custom, they leave open mounting holes, and something like this is going to be a perfect way to fix that. All right, so what are we working with here? This kit is going to include one step bit that will drill holes as small as 1/4 of an inch and as large as 1 3/8 of an inch. This kit also includes 30 18-gauge sheet metal plugs as well. There's 10 3/4 inch plugs, 10 inch wide plugs, and 10 1 3/8 inch plugs included. The idea here is that you have a hole that you need to fill, you can wallow it out with the step bit to get a perfect circle, and then you could weld in a perfectly matching plug for a clean fix. So first, let's talk about the step bit. These are great to have in the toolbox in general, highly recommend them. This one is made from M42 grade cobalt with a titanium nitride coating, which is super tough. You get a nice wide range of sizes with this, which keeps you from having to put new bits in your drill chuck all the time for a bunch of different size holes. This one goes from as small as 1/4 of an inch and as large as 1 3/8 of an inch, and everything in between at 1/8 of an inch intervals. Now, for the plugs that come with the kit, you do get 30 of them to begin with. There's 10 at 3/4 of an inch, 10 at 1 inch, and 10 at 1 3/8 of an inch wide. Perfect circles too. They're die cut. The edges are really clean, so there's no deburring needed. Perfect for welding in for a clean fix. These are certainly a lot easier and more accurate to work with rather than trying to cut your own plugs with a pair of tin snips. They're 18 gauge, so very common thickness, meaning these will work with a variety of projects. And if you do end up using these a lot, we do offer refill packs for this kit as well. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, head over to our channel. We have tons of great how-to content over there that you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have the plug kit link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'm JD. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.